warm welcome to Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable Industries Minister, former Union Minister and Chairman of the Board of Advisors of Amazing Goa Foundation, Shri Suresh Prabhu, Secretary of Industries, Director of Industries, Trade and Commerce, all the other officers present from the department and officials of the Vibrant Goa Foundation. This Memorandum of Understanding is being signed for the purpose of organizing the Amazing Goa Global Expo and Summit 2024. The government is pleased to enter into a MOU with Vibrant Goa Foundation, which since its inception has brought about insightful events like the Vibrant Goa Summit and the Green Goa Summit. First and foremost, I request the Chairman and Founder Trustee of Vibrant Goa Foundation, Shri Rajkumar Kamath, to give opening remarks.
The Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable Industries Minister, Chairman of Board of Advisors and ex-Union Minister Shri Suresh Prabhuji, and my colleagues, the officers from the Industries Department and press and media. First and foremost, I would like to warmly welcome you for this MOU signing cum press conference for the Amazing Goa Global Expo, Global Business Summit that we will be conducting from 8th to 10th of November. Actually, the focus of this summit is on bilateral trade, on collaborations, on joint ventures of the Goan businesses, primarily the MSMEs, with international businesses. So this is the basic aim and objective of Amazing Goa, so that ultimately the business grows and we are in a position to grow the economy of Goa as a whole. This is being held from 8th to 10th of November 2024 at the Shama Prasad Stadium. Besides, we will be having different other programs as well. For example, we will be having 2 or 3 training sessions for the self-help groups. Not only training sessions, we will be having a women empowerment pavilion there. We will be having sessions for student buddies. Last time also we had student buddies. This time also we are going to have student buddies, so that we are in a position to train them and they will be tagging with the international delegates, so that they start learning practical business inputs that they would get from these delegates. We will be having a separate startup pavilion, sustainability pavilion, and these are besides, of course, the regular stalls for the expo. So these are some of the key elements. That means we are being inclusive as well as sustainable. Like last time, which was a zero waste event, we are going to have this event also to be a zero waste event. So already quite a bit of work has been done. We have got confirmation of more than 260 overseas delegates from 46 countries. The stall booking has already started. It is not just a stall for the sake of stall, but I would rather say it is registration for this particular event, because we will be connecting, working on connecting the businesses in Goa with overseas. So things have already started, and we request the media to promote it as much as possible, so as many people from, as many businesses from Goa as possible actually utilize this particular opportunity. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Further, I would like to request the representatives of Vibrant Goa Foundation to please welcome the dignitaries with a bouquet of flowers. I request Shri Suresh Prabhu, the Chairman of Board of Advisors of Amazing Goa Summit, to please welcome our Honorable Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant. I also request Shri Rajkumar Kamath, the Chairman of Vibrant Goa Foundation, to please welcome Industries Minister Shri Mobile Gudino. And now I request the Director of Industries, Trade and Commerce, Ms. Ignatius, and Chairman of Vibrant Goa Foundation, Rajkumar Kamath, to please sign the Memorandum of Understanding and exchange the same. Thank you. I would like to call upon Shri Suresh Prabhu to please address the gathering on this occasion.
I'm very thankful to Honorable Chief Minister for not just presiding over this important event, but also presiding over a very important phase in Goa's future trajectory of growth by preparing a very comprehensive document which actually covers almost all aspects of socio-economic life of the people of Goa. And he has a very ambitious vision to realize the goals to make sure that the development really reaches the people of Goa. What is the purpose of development ultimately? It cannot be just measured by your investment that flows in, which is so important obviously, but not the only yardstick. But people of Goa must benefit, and that's what exactly he is trying to do. And to supplement that effort, he has roped in several sections of the society, including civil society, to make sure that government alone cannot fulfill all the claims of the people. So if everybody is taken on board, the people will benefit more. And that's the purpose of this event today, that we have signed MOU with the government of Goa to take on board the civil society organizations like Vibrant Goa Foundation to organize an event which will happen probably one of the major events on the calendar of any such event that will happen in the country. And as Mr. Rajkumar Kamath has just mentioned, already, despite the fact that we have just started, already so many countries have decided to participate with top leaders of those countries, business people as well as others, participating in this program. And all of this will be aimed at, as I said, to make sure that people are go ahead. And that's the whole purpose. And that's why preceding this business event, there will be a major event of self-help groups, local artisans, local farmers organizations, local fishermen's organizations, local dairy organizations who will actually participate and put on the table what is their expectation from the business summit, so that there's a partnerships are made for people of Goa as well as Goa economic benefits. And this is the whole purpose, and I'm very thankful again to Honorable Chief Minister as well as the Industry Minister for facilitating this such a great event with the active collaboration and cooperation and participation of all officers. So I'm very sure that this event will be another landmark in terms of realizing the vision of the Honorable Chief Minister to make Goa as a fully vibrant region very soon. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I would like to request Honorable Industries Minister Shri Mavin Gudino to say a few words on this occasion.
Amazing Goa Global Business Summit, as you know, is going to take place between 8th to 10th of November. And in that regard, present here is our Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant, Mr. Suresh Prabhu, ex-Union Minister, and literally our mentor for all good things that happen in Goa, Mr. Rajkumar Kamath, all the other industry association people, Svetika, Egna. First of all, we all know that Goa is truly global in every sense of the word. And why should it not be global as far as the industrial sector is concerned? Having collaborations with foreign companies having a product which is truly of international class. We have the base, we have those strengths, but never have these strengths, this base been connected to something which is on a global stage, which is at a much higher level. This particular conference, which is going to take place between 8 to 10, is really going to be truly amazing, which I expect, because it is for the second time after 2019, I think, that we will be reconnecting in a very big way. People now recognize Goa. People now know what are the things happening in Goa. If you look at the trajectory of progress made under the dynamic leadership of Dr. Pramod Sawant and his government, as well as at the central level under the leadership of Mr. Narendra Modi ji, everyone knows where our country is going. That's how we became the 5th largest economy, likely to be the 3rd largest economy. Similarly, Goa also is growing, and truly in tune with Swayambhu Goa, where we want to make ourselves truly self-reliant, self-sufficient, strong on our own feet. I think ultimately this is something which will connect towards the roots of Goa, growth of MSME sector, growth of self-help groups, which is going to be really happening. And I think that is why this is going to help us in a big way. Let us all collaborate, work together, all industries associations, all the stakeholders. Government is there to support you. Dr. Pramod Sawant, the Honorable Chief Minister, is going out of their way to support you. So all these things happening, I think we will be having something amazing happening as far as the industrial sector is concerned, which I look forward to. Once again, I wish everyone all the very best, and let us all work together to make it really happen. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. I now request Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant to kindly address the gathering.
MOU signing with Vibrant Goa and Government of Goa. आजच्या आमच्या सोहळ्यात आमच्यामध्ये असतात आमचे इंडस्ट्री मिनिस्टर फॉर्म उदयन, वायब्रंट गोवाचे ॲडवायझर आणि एक्स युनियन मिनिस्टर श्री सुरेश प्रभू, वायब्रंट गोवाचे प्रेझेंट वर्किंग प्रेसिडेंट डॉक्टर राजकुमार कामत, फ्रँकली विनय, our डायरेक्टर ऑफ इंडस्ट्रीज, परत सेक्रेटरी इंडस्ट्रीज, नेशनल ऑफिसर्स आणि प्रेस मिडियातल्या भावांनी. वायब्रंट गोवा हो 2019 जाल्लो प्रोग्राम आमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसा. कोविडाच्या पयलीं हो कार्यक्रम जाल्लो हांव जस्ट मुख्यमंत्री जाल्या उपरांतूच, आनी वायब्रंट गोवा ह्या फावंडेशनाच्या निमित्तान वायब्रंट गोवा हो कार्यक्रम जाल्या उपरांत पुराय देशभर म्हणजे ज्या पद्दतीन वायब्रंट गुजरात हो शायन जालो त्या धर्तीचेर वायब्रंट गोवा कार्यक्रम म्हणून खूब बऱ्या पद्दतीन इंडस्ट्री म्हणजे बाकीचे कोलॅबोरेशन किंवा कनेक्ट करपाक शकता. आनी ताकाच लागून इट इज अ ट्रेड बिटवीन B2B आणि G2B, म्हणजे बिझनेस टू बिझनेस आणि गव्हर्मेंट टू बिझनेस अशा पद्दतीचे वेगवेगळे रिलेशन्स आमी एस्टाब्लिश करपाक शकले. ताजो परिणाम आमी ग्राउंड लेवलाचेर इंडस्ट्रीच्या मदीं पळयला. म्हाका सांगपाक खूब खोस भोगता की वायब्रंट गोवा फावंडेशनचे सगळे तेंचे मेंबर्स आनी तांणी खूब एफर्ट्स घेतलो आनी त्या निमित्तान वेगवेगळ्यो बिझनेसीस गोंयांत डेव्हलप जावपाकूय बी तेंच्यांनी, इवन दो फॉर द इम्पोर्ट आनी एक्सपोर्ट ह्या दोनूय गजालीक तेंच्यांनी खूब भर दिली. आनी ताकाच लागून हांव मुद्दामून सांगता की नेट मेकिंग सारकेल्या इंडस्ट्रीज जेन्ना MSME हांव भेट दिवपाक गेलो ताणें म्हाका स्वता सांगलें की दोतोर आपलो म्हणपालो वायब्रंट गोवाच्या उपरांत आपल्याक नेट आपले एक्सपोर्ट जावपाक जाय इन फॉरेन कंट्री, कारण आपूण केन्नाच पयलीं एक्सपोर्ट करिनाशिल्लो. नुस्त्याचे दाणे विकपी एक इंडस्ट्रीज वालो की ताणें म्हणजे मोठ्या हेतून सांगलें वायब्रंट गोवा फावंडेशनान आपूण जेन्ना मेळ्ळो तेन्ना आपलो एक्सपिरियन्स की ताणें आपल्याक एक्सपोर्ट करपाची संद दिली आनी आज आपूण खूब मोठ्या प्रमाणांत एक्सपोर्ट करता. अशे वेगवेगळे इंडस्ट्रीज आसतले की तेंच्या बिझनेसाचेर खूब बरो परिणाम आमकां पळोवंक मेळटा. सो दॅट वायब्रंट गोवाच्या बिझनेसान फाटले फावटी जे स्टुडंट बडी हो कार्यक्रम तेंच्यांनी सुरवात केलो आनी स्टुडंट बडी कार्यक्रमाच्या निमित्तान म्हाका दिसता जे स्टुडंट्स तेंच्या बरोबर जोडले गेले त्या एंटरप्रिन्युअर्स म्हणून खंय तरी फुडें येवपाक लागले. तांकां हँड होल्डिंग करपाचें काम हेंय बी खूब बऱ्या पद्दतीन तांच्यांनी केलें. आनी ताकाच लागून आज म्हाका दिसता आय एम डिलायटेड टू अनाउन्स द अपकमिंग अमेझिंग गोवा ग्लोबल बिझनेस समीट to be held from the 8th to the 10th of November this year. This event is organized by Vibrant Goa Foundation and supported by the Government of Goa, Director of Industries. I am pleased to understand that all the business associations in Goa, such as the GCCI, Chamber of Commerce, GSIA, PNI, associate and others are fully supporting the event and working closely with the foundation. The last edition of the summit held in 2019 under the name of Vibrant Goa was a resounding success. Since then, and we have witnessed the numerous Goan entrepreneurs, ventures and export and achieving the remarkable feats. It was the Goa's largest business expo and summit and attracting over the 500 international delegates from more than 50 countries. The edition, I am sure, and they will be built upon the success and provide even more opportunities for the business to connect, collaborate and explore new ventures. Moving forward, the state will prioritize the two major signature events, which is the Invest Goa for the investment attraction and Amazing Goa for promoting the bilateral trade, collaboration and joint venture. Investment often emerge as a byproduct for these activities. For this edition, the team has curated the program and that will showcase the Goa's potential as a gateway opportunities in India and facilitates the meaningful business partnership. Besides the expo, the summit will see the series of the panel discussion, workshop and networking event that will provide the valuable insight and opportunities for collaboration. It is a pleasure to have Mr. Suresh Prabhu, the former Union Minister, as the Chairman of the Board of Advisors for the event. And under his guidance, supported by the esteemed members of the Board of Advisors, the leadership of the former Chairman of the Foundation, Mr. Nitin Kumkarekar, and the current Chairman of the Vibrant Goa Foundation, Mr. Rajkumar Kamat, the Amazing Goa Summit will and undoubtedly success and the necessary support to be the great success once again. I am also delighted to learn that the Student Buddy program will be continued. Involving the students in such event is crucial as it provides invaluable experience that cannot be replicated in the classroom. Support for all the self-help group will also be an integral part of the Amazing Goa event, for fostering the greater exposure and inspiring them to think differently and grow their businesses, giving the flip to the Swayambhurna Goa and Swayambhurna Yuva. I urge the large business houses, industries, PSUs in Goa for their continued support to the summit. Their support will be the instrumental in creating the more impactful and memorable event for all participants. I understand that already more than 260 delegates and from 46 countries have confirmed their presence. Happy to know that there is a ruler of the Russian coming up. Besides, the many international business chambers have confirmed and their participants. And happy to note that Dr. Jagat Shah, along with the Vibrant Goa team, is working B2B and making and mentoring these expo participants. I urge the Goan businesses and MSME particularly to register at the earliest for these valuable opportunities. And we believe that Amazing Goa Global Summit, Business Summit will play a crucial role in promoting the economic growth, job creation and Goa's reputation as a favorable business destination. The Government of Goa is fully committed to support these initiatives and which is aligned to our drive of the Swayambhurna Goa and Honorable Prime Minister's vision of Viksit Bharat. I am appreciating the dynamic team of the Vibrant Goa Foundation and invite all the business, both the domestic and international participants in this prestigious event, Amazing Goa Global Summit, Global Business Summit. गोंयकारांनी ही ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी सोडची न्ही अशा पद्दतीचो अमेझिंग गोवा ग्लोबल इव्हेंट हो एखादो सगळ्यांत व्हडलो इव्हेंट जावपाक शकता. त्या खातीर जे नवीन एंटरप्रिनर जावपाक सोदता, जे नवीन तरणाटे तांकां दिसता की आपुणूय बिझनेस सुरू करतलो, ताच्या खातीर ही व्हडली संदी आसा. आमी ह्या संदीचो फायदो सगळ्या जाणांनी जो बिझनेस करता आनी जे बिझनेस करपाचे व्यवस्था विचार करता तांच्यांनी पार्टिसिपेट जावचें आणि एकदा आपण पार्टिसिपेट जाल्या उपरांत वेगवेगळी ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज तातूंतल्यान दिसून येता आणि इंटरनॅशनल बिझनेसमॅन हांच्या कडेन मेळपाची उलोवपाची वर्कशॉप अशा पद्दतीची संद हे वायब्रंट गोवा फाउंडेशन जे तुमकां अमेझिंग गोवा ग्लोबल बिझनेस समीट ह्या हातूंतल्यान मेळटली. समेस्त सगळ्या तरणाट्यांक जे विचार करता किंवा हाज्या फुडें बिझनेस करपाचो तकलेन जरी आसत जाल्यार ह्या बिझनेस समिटाक 8 ते 10 नोव्हेंबर खरेंच तेंच्यांनी रजिस्टर करचें आनी येवन वयचें ही बरी संद गमोवं नाका इतलें तांकां सांगता देव बरें करूं.
Thank you, sir. I would like to express my gratitude to Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant, Honorable Industries Minister Shri Maven Kudino, former Union Minister Shri Suresh Prabhu for their valuable support for this collaboration. I thank the officials and representatives of Vibrant Goa Foundation and officers of Industries Department for bringing the Memorandum of Understanding into effect. I also thank the representatives of the media and hope for wide publicity to the event. Thank you one and all. They were able.
फाटी जेन्ना वायब्रंट गोवा जालो न्ही ऑपोजिशनान बोवाळ केलो की हेजो व्हडलो इव्हेंट करून कांयच फायदो जालो ना म्हणून तेचेर आतां अमेझिंग गोवा जाता सो मागीर परत तेचेरूच बोवाळ जातलो सो मागीर ते डेटा मागताले की जेन्ना वायब्रंट गोवा जालें कोणाक कितलो फायदो जालो काय म्हणून
हाजेर सांगता आसतना तूं इतके वायब्रंट गोवा म्हणजे वायब्रंट गोवाचो डेटा तांचे कडेन आसा कितलो तांणी रजिस्ट्रेशन केलें कितें इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट येवन घे आतांच म्हाज्या भाशणांत तांणी सांगलां वो डायरेक्टली म्हणजे गव्हर्मेंटाच्या ऑफिसान रिकॉर्ड बरोवन उरना की बाबा कितल्या जाणांक तेजो फायदो जालो वेन यू आर टॉकिंग विथ द इंडस्ट्री पीपल तेज्या वेळार तुका हेजी रिएक्शन्स कळटा म्हणून म्हाका दिसता रजिस्टर्ड जाल्ले जितके गोंयचे इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट तेंचे लिस्ट घेवन जर तुमी तेंचे इंटरव्यू घेतले जाल्यार ते म्हाज्या पेक्षा तुमकां बरें सांगूं शकतले की आपल्याक कितें फायदो जालो रजिस्टर्ड जाल्ले स्टुडंट आशिल्ले पळय तांचो जर तुमी इंटरव्यू घेतलो ते तुमकां खूब बरें सांगूं शकतले की वायब्रंट गोवा पासून आमकां कितें फायदो जालो आनी हाज्या वेळार हांव कळपा खातीर सांगता वी आर नॉट डायरेक्टली फायनान्सिंग दीस प्रोजेक्ट आमी खंयसरूच हो प्रोजेक्ट आमी फायनान्स करिना गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडियाचे PSUs गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ गोवाचे PSUs हांच्या बरोबर कोलाबरेशनान घेवन सपोर्टिंगली हो इव्हेंट ते करता सो तेच्या खातीर तांकां थोडी मोठी मदत कितें जी PSU आनी डिपार्टमेंट हांचे कडल्यान जातली दीस इज नॉट आमी नॉट वी आर नॉट फुल्ली स्पॉन्सरींग दीस इव्हेंट नॉट एट ऑल गोंयांत जर बरें कितें जाता आसत जाल्यार ताका सपोर्ट करपाक जाय आनी ताजो बरो इफेक्ट कितें जाता 2019तल्यान आयज पर्यंत म्हाका दिसता तूं जर 2019तले स्टुडंट बी त्या कार्यक्रमांतले काडून पळयशीत आनी तांकां विचारशीत जाल्यार ते तुका सांगतले की हेजो फायदो कितें जालो हांवें आतां तुका एकट्या फक्त MSME ऑफ द नेट मेकिंग हेजो फिश नेट
In fact, after the Vibrant Goa Summit last time, nearly 30 to 35, 33 MSMEs started their export journey. जे हाजे पयलीं तांणी करूं नाशिल्ले ओके बिजनेस लोक जे बिजनेस करता they don't normally disclose what business they have done, so we will not have figures for that, but the fact that more than 30 to 35, this is despite COVID immediately thereafter export म्हळ्यार सट्ट करून जायना आता फॉर एग्जांपल एक MOU with Singapore party was signed during 2019 Vibrant Goa Summit, but it is only hardly about 6 or 7 months back that Tancho actually business has started with that Singapore company. Are you getting me? So these are things which happen as the things go. So whole idea is to create those opportunities so that businesses can avail those benefits and grow themselves.
So what kind of industries you are expecting, sir, from
My
the project?
I think there was a common situation which was pointed out. So I have participated in all these so-called investment summits that happen all over the country, because most of the states do that. The difference between those summits and these summits is, those summits, most of them are sponsored by the government, as they were just mentioned. This is not a government supported, but not government sponsored. Government
supported, not
the moment. Secondly, as you were just mentioning, it was a criticism against your Vibrant Gujarat. What happened? It was very good. See, it doesn't happen like that. Nobody comes with bag of money and says, I participated, now I'm investing into this, and tried 50,000. It is supposed to. So then somebody comes to Goa, he will meet his counterparts, he will meet a prospective customer, prospective partner. The time it takes some time to materialize. As you were just mentioning, so many things happen over a period of time. So therefore, to judge the success of the event like this, you have to look at the atmosphere that it creates, the environment that it creates, and the number of people who participate. They go back to the country to talk about Goa. So maybe they will not invest, but they will talk about it. Tourism will rise. So I think there are many benefits which happen. So I am telling you, as I have seen at the government of India level, I have participated in similar summits in at least 30-40 countries of the world. So I know exactly how it happens. So this is one of the better ones. I would definitely say that it
सो कसल्या तरेच्यो इंडस्ट्रीज पळयता कारण गोंयचो विजन कितें आसा खंयच्या इंडस्ट्री गोंयांत येवपाक जाय अशें
आम्ही विजन आमचं क्लियर केला म्हणजे एक तर IT इंडस्ट्री, हॉस्पिटॅलिटी इंडस्ट्री आणि ग्रीन इंडस्ट्री. वी आर सपोर्ट.
सो गोवा रेडी आसा ताच्या खातीर
येस. थँक्यू.
Thank you very much.